Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be taking you through a new trick on SportyBet Instant Virtual. So after you've logged into your SportyBet Instant Virtual, this is how your screen is going to look like. And let me quickly take you through it. We have England League, we have Spain, and we have Italy. At the same time, we have Germany League. We also have Champions League. We have AFCON, and we have UEFA Euro. So on today's video, we are going to be making use of only Germany League. England League. So I'm going to be making use of England League for today, and the trick is going to be on instant virtual double chance. Alright, let's dive into the video. Now, before we can do anything, we need to put something into consideration, and how we're going to do that is by just coming down to over and under. Okay, now fine. Now we are on over and under. So we'd have to look at a particular odd as this over section. Let's go in and let's watch that. So once I get it, I'm going to tell you how it works. So unfortunately, the particular odd is not there. So I need to skip this to next round so as to get the odd. So that's one thing I love about instant virtual, and that's one thing you need to know about it. The thing needed is that you need to be very, very patient, and at the same time, if you don't get the particular odd you need, you can easily skip to next round. That's the one good thing about SportyBet Instant Virtual. Okay, now good. I find the odd here, so I'm going to predict this particular match double chance. So now let's watch what the outcome is going to be. Double chance, home or away, or better see, I can actually say first half double chance, and which is this. So you have to curve to half, and I scroll down to second half double chance. Second half double chance. So, and I'm going to predict on this. So now let's go. Let's place our bet, and let's click on confirm. Okay, I think I'm having an issue with my network. Okay, so let's this thing load up again. Let it load up. Okay? I don't know why it happens that way, but I believe I have a good strong network at the moment. So let's go for it again. Man U and Chelsea, and we need to come to half, and we have to predict second half home or away. So the prediction is actually second half home or away. You can use full-time double chance too, which is home or away. But if you want a bigger odd, then you go for second half. But if you want to be on the safer side and you want to have high chances of winning, you go for full-time home or away. If you want a bigger odd, you go for second half home or away. Alright, the first half has ended, so let's just watch what they are going to deliver to us at this particular second half. Alright, so as you can see, second half is already a win. So either you go for second half or full-time. This is a win here. So we just won this, and let's go again. Now I'm going to fully explain how I got this trick. Now let's go. This is how it works. What you have to do after you come into your instant virtual is come to over and under, and on the over section look for 1.7 something odd. The odd must be between 1.70 to 1.75. Now we are looking for 1.70 to 1.75 between these odd. Now let's go and let's check for it. Let's look for one. Okay, there is none here. So now we still need to skip to the next round. Now let's go to next round. Let's go to next round, and let's get the odd we needed. Alright, so let's check. Don't forget the odd. The odd is 1.7. It ranges between 1.70 and 1.75. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for that. So let's keep looking till we get the suitable one for our trick. Right, we have 1.70 here. Let's see if there's any other one that we can actually go for. Okay, we have only 1.70 here, which is for Liverpool and Tottenham. So we're going to click on this particular match, and scroll down to half, and get to second half double chance, which is home or away. So we're going to predicting on these two, and let's go into the video. Let's go into the game. Let's go into the game and let's kick off. So let's watch the outcome here. So don't forget our prediction. It is second half, home or away. That's what we're predicting here. So let's just see what they're going to deliver for us. We have 0-1 for first half. Assuming we went for first half double chance, so it would have been a win here. But mind you, the prediction here is actually second chance, home or away, or full time, home or away. So second chance, home or away is still a win. You see, assuming you've actually gone for full time, home or away here is a loss. So now the trick working perfectly here is actually second chance double chance. I mean second half double chance, because we've done it twice. We win, one is won for full time, one is win for first half, and we've won the 2 times we've done on second half. Right, let's try it again, and let's see what we have to. Let's see what we have here. So we're going another round. Let's see what they're going to deliver to us this time around. So now we have 1.73. Which is for Crystal Palace and Tottenham. We're going to click on these two, and let's get to half. And let's go down to second half, home or away. So we are still going to be using our normal random 100 naira for this particular prediction. Okay, so let's kick off. Okay, my balance is not actually changing. You may actually be wondering why. This is because I'm on system. I'm going to refresh this after this particular game. I'm going to refresh, so it's going to change. I have always noticed that anytime I play on system, I have to keep on refreshing before my balance will change. So even if I lose, you have to still keep refreshing. Okay, so that is that about that. So you may be wondering, what if it's up? Okay, this is a loss, right? So we lose this time around, but that's not the end. We can still actually recover. Let's just go to the next round, and I'm going to refresh this so that I can know what I have on my balance right now. So I think this is 1,043 naira. Okay, this is so nice. I'm still in the margin of my capital, and I'm not really making a loss yet. So I'm still in track. All right, so now you may be like, okay, what if you come across 1.7 in 2 places, right? Look at this. 1.77 is actually out of the odd we are looking for. The odd we need is between 1.70 and 1.75. So this 1.77 is out of it. Now we have 1.75 here. So now assuming you have 1.73 and 1.75, what are you going to go for is 1.73. Not because 1.73 is the lowest one, but because 1.73 stands between 1.75 and 1.70. So it's a middle odd, and sometimes when it comes to fracture, all these algorithms always use middle odd to like trick you. The middle odds are the one that always comes most. So that's why it's good to go for it. Sometimes when you have 1.72 and 1.73, you go for that 1.73. Or let's say you have 1.70 and 1.71. The one to go for is 1.71 because it's the one that range between 1.70 and 1.75. So this time around we have only 1.75 though. So we're going for this IPS and Newcastle, and don't forget the prediction we are going to have. Which is second half. So we're going to predicting on this. So don't forget we lost the other time, so we need to like increase our staking plan. So let me just put it at 300, and let's click on confirm, and let's kick off. So let's see what they are going to deliver for us here. Let's see what they have to deliver to us. So we are actually less concerned with anything they are playing on first half. What we are concerned about is the second half results, because that's where we're actually predicting on. So let's see what they have to deliver here. Okay, I think the match actually end well, I guess. Okay, it's ended draw. Even first half was draw, second half was draw, and the full time too was also draw. All right, that's so nice. Let's go to the next round. Let's refresh our capital. I'm going to be putting everything I have this time around. So now let's go into it. Don't forget the trick we are using. We need to look for 1.7, or that ranges between 1.70 to 1.75. So that's what we're looking for. Unfortunately, we can't get that here. So let's just skip to the next round, and let's try to get the hold so that we can have a good prediction, right? So we have 1.75. Let's see if there's another one. We have only 1.75, right? So Tottenham and this other team. So now don't forget half. Then we need to go to second half prediction. This is 1.51. So we are going to be crediting everything left in my balance. So if we lose, fine, and if we don't, just know that this is betting, and when it's come to betting, nothing is 100% sure, and everything is all about risk here. Everything is all about risk. So we have 743. So I'm going to be putting all that. So if I lose, fine, and if I also win, you know that this is actually what we call, I'm actually trying to apply recovery formula. Assuming there is enough capital, if I keep doing this, I will definitely win because the trick is perfectly working. The only thing is just that it's not 100% sure. Get that at the back of your mind while using this particular trick. So this is just a video from my own opinion or idea that it has worked, and I think it may also work for you. That's why I'm actually making this video to everyone here online. So guys, if you enjoyed this video so far and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit that that subscribe button and put the notification icon so as to get notified anytime I post a new video. So as you can see, at the end, we are able to win back our money and we still make a little profit. So let me just refresh. I think I started with 1,040 something or 50 something naira. Now I have 1,100 naira. That's close to 50. No, sorry, I said 50. That's close to 5% of my capital. That's very, very much, and that's very, very great for a good business person. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video. And if you want me to work on any trick, kindly drop down in the comment section, and I will work on it as soon as possible. See you on the next video. Bye.